What's the trade ahead of the numbers? Let's get to our countdown closer. Sound Planning Group CEO David Stryzewski. David was in the wings as Charlie and I were talking. My brain was going in 12 different directions, but I'm focused on you and what you expect the markets to react to and hear from this number.
Well, you know, even today is kind of an interesting thing as we look at the new PCE number that came out, because these are really correlated. The Fed is data dependent, and so you know what happens today when we even see inflation go up higher. The market, you know, kind of has a little bit of a slug off, but there's some stuff that's positively going forward. I don't think that we're going to see big disruption at this point until things get a little bit more one-sided in that direction. So if we see a big, you know, 250,000 jobs, that would be very bad for the market. So otherwise, we're just kind of floating around here.
Well, we have so many guests on talking about by this sector, by this stock. You're saying go with commodities. The commodity trade is back as far as you're concerned. Which part of the commodity complex?
Okay, so I like oil right now in a big way. I think oil is going to go up a lot. I'm bullish on U.S. oil very specifically.
West Texas.
That's right. And then also commodities, you know, gold has got a 12-year cup and handle if you look at the one-month chart of it. And so if this breaks above 2,100, that's our confirmation. I think it's going to go to 25 pretty quick. But gold miners are actually, relative to the S&P 500, priced very right on their PEs.
Why are you not going into the soft commodities, wheat, sugar, cocoa? Because if you figure that emerging countries like India, which every big corporation is figuring out how to get their supply chain to go through India and do an end run around China, then that's going to be better for that economy. They will be depending on 3 meals a day versus maybe 2. Why wouldn't you go soft commodities?
You know what? I'm just going to agree with you on that one. We're bullish on India as well. They've been the world's kind of back office. They're now getting more of a front seat here as we're kind of friend shoring a little bit with them, trying to keep the good relations there and not just letting China, you know, lead all that.
Well, David, I'll tell you something. I like when people agree with me. Usually I get the blowback. It's good to see you. Thank you very much.
Pleasure's mine.
Okay,
Thank you.
folks, here we go.